So I'm going to start with this box here, and I created it a while back using some foam board. But what I'm going to do is just remove the letters and just take off the paper that the foam board has already, and then I'm going to give it a fresh coat of paint using my white Waverly chalk paint in the color white. So now that the paint is dry, this is what it looks like. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use some nautical rope to wrap my box. And as you can see, the nautical rope is pretty thick when I put it against my box. I don't really like how that looks. So what I'm going to do is just unravel my nautical rope, and it'll give me 3 different strands, and they're thinner, so that's what I'm going to be using to wrap it around my box. And this is how the bottom half of the box looks now. Now I'm going to use the white nautical rope, and I'm going to do the same thing, unravel the strands. And now I'm going to use these strands to wrap it around the middle part of my box. So I'm going to start hot gluing it just above the brown nautical rope. And once I'm done, this is how it turned out. So I still left a little area right above the white nautical rope. So what I'm going to do now is add the brown nautical rope to it. And this is how it turned out. I really love how it looks. It gave my box a whole new look, and I absolutely love it. So what I'm going to do is create a centerpiece using my box. I'm going to be using this old pumpkin, and as you can see, the middle part is hollowed out, and that's because I used it for another project a while back. But first, what I'm going to do with it is just give it a fresh coat of white paint using my white Waverly chalk paint. To fill in my box, I'm going to use some of these greenery, and I'm also going to use a variety of fall florals from Dollar Tree. And also some of these picks with the pumpkins on them. So now I'm going to start adding my florals to my pumpkin, and I just want to make this a pumpkin floral arrangement. And this is how it turned out. And now I'm going to start arranging everything in my box so that I can make my fall centerpiece.